Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to discuss a very important topic, asset allocation. This is the key to smart investing and achieving your financial goals. If you've ever wondered how to divide your investments wisely, stay with me till the end of this video. What is asset allocation? Asset allocation simply means dividing your investments into different asset classes based on your financial goals, time horizon and risk appetite. But why is this important? Because proper asset allocation helps you balance risk and returns effectively. Factors influencing asset allocation. Before making any investment decision, an investor needs to consider three key factors. First, goal. Are you investing for the short term or the long term? Second, time horizon. How many years do you have to invest? Third, risk appetite. How much risk can you handle? Understanding asset classes. Based on these factors, investments are categorized into three asset classes: safe, medium risk, and high risk. Let's understand each one in detail. First, safe asset class. Guaranteed returns. Investments in this category offer assured returns, often linked to the repo rate. Risk-free and tax-free returns. Many of these investments come with tax benefits and zero risk of capital loss. Capital protection. The invested amount is fully protected. No need for monitoring. These investments are stable and do not require frequent tracking. Peace of mind. Since these are safe investments, they offer financial security and stability. Best for long-term goals. Suitable for people looking for steady growth over the years. Best for guaranteed events. Ideal for planned future expenses like retirement, child's education or marriage. Medium risk asset class. Returns higher than safe asset class. Offers returns up to 5% more than the repo rate. Moderate risk exposure. Returns can fluctuate based on economic conditions, but the risk is lower compared to high-risk assets. Tax-free or taxable returns. Some investments in this category offer tax benefits, while others may be subject to taxation. Partially capital protected. While there is some risk, many investments offer partial protection. Annual monitoring required. Investors should review their portfolio at least once a year. Mild anxiety during market fluctuations. Since returns can vary, investors may experience occasional stress. Best for medium-term goals. Ideal for goals like buying a house or funding higher education. Preferred for non-guaranteed events. Useful when future financial needs are uncertain. High-risk asset class. Highest returns potential. These investments can generate returns more than 5% over repo rate. High-risk exposure. Economic downturns, global crises, and market volatility can impact returns. Taxable returns. Profits from these investments are usually taxable, zero capital protection. The entire investment is subject to potential loss. Frequent monitoring required. Investors need to track and manage these investments actively. High anxiety during market swings. Market fluctuations can cause significant stress. Best for short-term goals. Suitable for aggressive wealth creation in a short period. Potential for high returns and lifestyle upgrade. High-risk asset classes can yield significant profits, enhancing financial independence and lifestyle. However, they demand active monitoring, market expertise, and a strong risk appetite. Balancing with safer investments ensures stability. Now that we understand the asset classes, let's look at the investment products that fall under each category. Safe asset class products. Guaranteed income plans, life insurance, fixed periodic income for financial stability. Guaranteed corpus plans, life insurance, long-term assured corpus accumulation. Participating plans, life insurance, combines guaranteed and bonus-based returns. Public Provident Fund (PPF), government-backed savings with tax-free interest. Sukanya Samriddhi Scheme, special savings plan for a girl child's future needs. Medium risk asset class products, systematic investment plans, SIP and mutual funds. Regular investments for cost averaging. National Pension Scheme (NPS), retirement savings with equity and debt exposure, bank or post office deposits, fixed deposits offering moderate returns, property or rental income, investment in real estate for passive income. Unit-linked insurance plans (ULIPs), insurance combined with market-linked investments. High-risk asset class products. Stock market investments, buying company stocks with high return potential. Cryptocurrency, digital assets with extreme volatility, investing in business, funding startups or businesses for potential high profits. Legalized betting, regulated markets with unpredictable returns. Forex trading, currency trading influenced by international markets. Recommended asset allocation based on income. Your income level also plays a crucial role in deciding asset allocation. Here's a simple breakdown. If income less than 12 lakh rupees per annum, invest in safe asset class. If income 12 to 24 lakh rupees per annum, invest 50% in safe and 50% in medium risk asset class. If income greater than 24 lakh rupees per annum, diversify with 33.33% in safe, 33.33% in medium and 33.33% in high-risk asset class. So the right asset allocation is all about balancing risk and reward based on your financial goals and income level. Build a strong foundation with low-risk investments, grow steadily with moderate risks, and explore high-risk opportunities if you're ready for market ups and downs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let us know in the comments which asset class you prefer. If you need guidance on selecting the right investment strategy, we are here to help. For a free consultation, reach out to us and our expert team members will guide you in choosing the best investment plan suited for your needs. Don't hesitate, secure your financial future today.